Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Galaxy J7. Now the first thing you have to do, you have to log out of your email. So whatever email you have on your Play Store, I'm going to click on my Play Store. I'm going to go to the options on the side here. And as you can see here, this is my email for this Google account. You want to make sure to log out of it, or if not, it's going to be Google logged. Go to settings. You want to scroll all the way down where it says cloud and accounts. Then you want to click on accounts, and whatever email that's logged into this account you want to log out. First option here, we got this email. You have to go to this top option here, and then you want to click on remove account. Remove account again, and as you can see, that email is officially removed out of this cell phone. Now the next email where it says Google, it should say your Google Play's email. And as you can see, it is Alex. So the first thing you want to do is go to the option here, and you want to tap remove account. Remove account again. And as you can see, everything is pretty much good to go and clean. Now from here, all you have to do is turn off the phone. Now once the phone is fully off, the first thing you have to do is press on the power button, the top volume button, and the home button at the same exact time. You could either press for 4 seconds until you see the Samsung logo, or hold it for around 8 seconds in total. So I'm gonna hold it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's around 9 seconds. Now you might see this screen. If you do, just let it load all the way up. Okay, and from there it might take you to this screen right here where it says no command, and from here you gotta wait around 1 to 2 minutes until you see the recovery screen. Now after 45 seconds, the recovery screen is gonna pop up, and from here, using your volume rockers, you could go up and down, and with the power button you select. So you wanna go all the way down where it says wipe data factory reset and select it. You want to click yes. Now this is going to delete all of your memory inside your phone. It's going to delete everything. It's going to factory reset it basically. So once it's finished, as you can see here on the bottom, it says formatting data cache, and set factory reset done. Once it says that, then you want to click on reboot system now. Now from here, the phone is factory resetting. This is going to take a couple minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes to factory reset. This way you could use this phone like if you got it brand new out of the box. Now from here you see the welcome screen, and now you can start by setting up your phone. After you finish with everything, it's going to take you to the home screen, and from here you're basically ready to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.